big secret, big secret. Other people money is the best money. Here's why. With other people's money, you're introducing a concept called leverage. And leverage is one of the quickest ways for you to be able to acquire assets faster. Essentially, what you do is that you own an asset and you're borrowing using other people's money against that asset and using the proceeds to buy additional assets. It's a strategy that you literally can rinse and repeat over and over again. And one of the best assets to do this leverage strategy, this using other people's money strategy, is with real estate. But the thing is, not a lot of people know that. A lot of people think, the purpose of real estate is just to buy your first house, live in that house, and, wait until you're ready to retire. You sell the house and you downsize. But with real estate, you're able to use other people's money very well. If you start leveraging your first property to buy your second property and using that second property to buy your third, your fourth, your fifth, that's a lot, 5 houses. With real estate, you can build a very massive portfolio. And that's why I love it so much. That's why I'm talking about it all the time, because real estate right now is the thing. This is how we are going to catapult over into that millionaire and billionaire status, by using leverage with real estate as our asset.